What's going on today, guys? We're just going to be changing out interior bulbs on a 2012 Honda Accord. So this applies for the 8th gen Honda Accord, so 2008 to 2012. So basically what we're just going to be doing is changing out the halogen bulbs that came with the car over to LED bulbs just to give it like a cleaner, more luxury look. So I'm going to be changing out the two map lights. There's a dome light located near the rear, and then I'm also going to be changing out the license plate light as well as the trunk light. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do all 5 of those, and let's just jump right into it. And so for the trunk light, you're going to use a bulb. It's a T10 bulb. It's different than the map light and the rear dome light. So what you're going to want to do is take your tool. If you purchase a light kit on Amazon, it'll most likely come with these little tools. If not, just use a flathead screwdriver like we've been doing this whole time. So go in there from the right side. There's a little groove in there. Again, I don't know if you could hear that pop or not, but it makes a little popping noise. This whole assembly drops down. And if the light's been on for a little bit, just be careful, it will be hot. So go ahead and grab your new T10 LED bulb. And again, it's just a simple plug and play. Alright. Yeah. Lit right up, so just go ahead and put the assembly back in place. Apply a little pressure, and the light assembly pops back into place. Alright, next up are the 2 map lights. So what you're going to want to do here is kind of press in on like the right side of it and just try to get like right in behind. Just gives you a little bit more room to work and you won't be breaking tabs. So that came out nice and easy. So go ahead and just take that off. Grab one of your new LEDs. And pop out the old bulb. Ooh, this one's a little hot. Alrighty. Alright. New LEDs in. So on these ones, I do like to angle the front ones a little bit towards, so the passenger, I like to angle it a little bit towards the passenger, and then on the driver's side, I'm going to angle it a little bit like down and towards the actual driver. So that light works. When you're replacing it, go ahead and do the reverse. Put the little rocker side on the right end first. Alright, and then that cover should just pop right back into place as well. And then just go ahead and do the reverse action on the driver's side. Again, just press up where the little rocker is. That way it just gives you more room to work like towards the back of the lens frame here. So this really small screwdriver out of the toolbox. So what you're going to do is go in from the back side. There are a couple little clips here, so all you're going to do is just slide a very tiny screwdriver in there. Kind of pry it, don't put too much pressure on it, and once you do get like a nice little lip in there, go ahead and just run the screwdriver across the back there, and this little assembly piece will just pop right out. And then you can also just use the same screwdriver to go ahead and pop out the old halogen bulb. And we're just going to grab one of these new LEDs and just pop it right into the assembly. You can go ahead and make sure that the LED is kind of pointing directly down in the back, or you could point it slightly towards the front, whatever you prefer really. And then go ahead and just turn on the light to see if it works. It does, so that's good. I'm just going to go ahead and replace the assembly frame, and that's that for the back dome light, so that was easy enough. Just apply a little bit of pressure and it pops right back into place. So the last one is the license plate bulb, which this one is just a pain because it's just kind of difficult to get in there. So again, the little tool that came with the kit doesn't fit in there. So I'm going back to this extremely small flathead screwdriver. Again, just get in there from the right side of the assembly and just kind of pry it loose. And this bulb just pulls straight down. And go ahead and grab your LED bulb here. Again, this one is just a simple plug and play as well. All right, and go ahead and just put the assembly back on. And give it a nice little push, and you should hear that click into place again.